everybody, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a yarn haul from Joann. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like all things crochet or yarn related, then go ahead and go down below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Okay, so I have been waiting to get some of this yarn since last year, and they had a good sale on it. It was just, I think, $2.49 a skein or $2.99 a skein, something like that. Anyway, they had a good sale on it, and I decided to just get a nice collection of this particular yarn, and I'm so excited. I got all Big Twist Twinkle yarns, okay? I'm so excited to show you this. Actually, the first color that's popping up in the box here is the color that I extremely wanted. It's this, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that blue. Isn't that beautiful? Can you imagine like a winter hat made out of this and then trimmed in maybe some white fur? I think that would be so flippin' gorgeous. But look at that sparkle in that yarn. I'm going to tell you, it is super soft yarn. This yarn is so dang soft and squishy. It's squishy. I will say I do feel the tinsel a little bit, but it's not so much that it's annoying. It is just a really great yarn. But oh my gosh, that color. I mean, I can't stop. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? I can't stop looking at it. Okay, so let me go ahead and get another ball here so I can look and see what it says. Well, I'm showing you guys the label, but let me go over the label with you right now. So this is a Big Twist Twinkle, and you'll see the twinkle here at the bottom of the label, but it says Big Twist in the Big Twist line. It is 97% acrylic and 3% polyester. There's that twinkle I told you you'd see. So it's Big Twist Twinkle. And then it is 380 yards or 347 meters. It is 6 ounces or 170 grams. That's a pretty good amount in this one skein. They recommend at least 6 skeins for a throw, 3 skeins for an average size sweater, 1 skein for a hat, and 1 skein for a scarf. And I agree with that. I really do agree with that. And then their recommendations here. So this is a 4-weight yarn, or medium weight yarn, and they recommend a US 8 or 5mm knitting needle, or a US H or 8 5mm crochet hook, and I think you can even go up to 5.5 or 6 with this. And then of course it is, because it is an acrylic, it is machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry clean, dry flat. Okay, so that is the specs on this Big Twist Twinkle yarn. Now let me go through the colorways that I got, and this is all that I got. It's the Big Twist Twinkle, but I got a bunch of colorways. So this first colorway, the one that I am just loving, is called Sapphire. Look at that sparkle, you guys. What? So this is the colorway called Sapphire. You guys, look at that, how vibrant blue that is. It's just, you can sink your eyes into that blue. I love it. And the sparkle, it goes on for days. Days and days and days. Ah, it's so cool. I love it. It's so gorgeous. And then another colorway that I got is, this colorway is called, I'm gonna guess it. You gotta guess it. It's called Red, and oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty, so gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And I got 4 skeins of the red as well. Now this next colorway, I did get 6 skeins of it. Now this colorway, and you know, it's hard to show the details on white, but this is called White, and it has just as much sparkle as the rest. And I bought 6 skeins of this instead of 4 because I was thinking I could use this also as trimming and stuff like that. So I thought this, or if I decide to make a big blanket, this is a great neutral color for these colors that I got. So. Now the next 2 colorways that I got are in little bags. I'm going to keep them in those little bags. So I'm not going to pull them out of there, but I think you'll still be able to see how beautiful these colors are. So let me go ahead and show you. This next colorway is called Green. So there's I love this green. It's a perfect green. but it's got a lot of sparkle in this too. So this is called green. And I also got 4 skeins of the green. Now this next color I'm going to show you, I only got 2 skeins of it because I got a similar colorway in a sparkle yarn. If you remember my Ollie's haul, and I'll link that up above if you didn't check that out. But in my Ollie's haul, I did get a similar color. What I felt was a similar color. Now I kind of wish I had gotten 2 more, and I may go back at some point and get 2 more. But this colorway is called Teal, and there's all that sparkle in there. It's so beautiful. But I saw last year where Ginger had gotten some of the Sapphire, and I fell in love with that. And when I went to Joann's later that year, like in the beginning of this year, I was looking for it and could not find the Sapphire. So I went a little wild. I got all the Twinkle yarn, so I have plenty of stuff to do with Twinkle yarn. Probably won't get to anything this year. I will probably be next year that I get to something, but I'm excited that I was able to get a good deal in it and get all of those yarns at great prices. So that is all the yarn I got. I did get one more thing. As you guys know, I like to review different things like books and bags and even yarn sometimes and stuff like that here on this channel. So I saw that they were also had a hook on sale. So I also picked up this hook. Okay, so it's a kind of a long hook. It's a long thin hook. It is a 5.5 millimeters crochet ebony hook by Laces, and it's an eye hook, and yeah, so I thought it was super duper pretty. But I'll show you guys more on this in its own separate review. So I did also get this hook. So that was my crochet and yarn haul from Joann's, and I can't wait to start making something. I may make a hat this year in that blue, that sapphire blue with white trim. I might do a fur trim because I've got some faux fur that I got. So I'm really loving that idea. I think I'm gonna have to do that. I think I am. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, but before I do, go down below, drop me a comment, tell me what would you make with that sparkle yarn? What would you make? And while you're down there leaving that comment, don't forget to hit the like button so you can let other like-minded people find my content. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. You guys, I can't say thank you enough for you guys joining me on my my yarn hauls and everything else that I do. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here. You guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.